Karnataka Lokayukta ADGP M Chandrasekhar has lodged a formal complaint against Union Heavy Industries Minister H.D. Kumaraswamy, his son Nikhil Kumaraswamy, and their associate Suresh Babu. The complaint filed at Sanjay Nagar Police Station accuses them of making false claims, including allegations of bribery and corruption. During press conferences held on September 28 and 29, Chandrasekhar also alleged that Kumaraswamy verbally threatened him, suggesting he will be transferred out of Karnataka, and falsely accused him of manipulating medical records to stay in the state. Nikhil Kumaraswamy and Suresh Babu echoed these accusations, with Suresh sharing a letter on social media accusing Chandrasekhar of accepting bribes. This comes after Kumaraswamy, following his Lokayukta questioning in the Sandur mining scam, publicly accused Chandrasekhar of corruption and blackmail. Chandrasekhar has requested the governor's approval to pursue legal actions against Kumaraswamy and remains committed to the ongoing investigation regardless of the accusations.